What's up everybody, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. Well guys, today I'm gonna tell you my secret to create a new LUTs for you guys. So guys, in this video I'll just show you how you can create LUTs in 3DLUTCreator Pro software. So before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, this is the 3DLUTCreator Pro, and guys, you can just purchase this software with the help of link in the description, and when you will get click on the link on the below, you will get extra 10% discount on your purchase, right? So when you will open the software, and here we can first of all add a photo to the photograph to our software. So let's just take one of the example photograph. So I'm gonna just try this photo. Just drag and drop to our 3DLUTCreator Pro software. Now here you can see a lot of adjustment over here, but first of all I'll just show you how you can match the color exactly how I am creating the LUTs. Just like similar, if you want to match the color to a particular or specific photos, you can just do it. So I'll just take the reference image as the Tony Mahfood image. So all you're gonna do is just go to the window, and from here, so go to the view and select the reference, show reference, right? So here it will be as reference panel, and all you need to do is just drag and drop to our reference photo with what kind of color tone you want. You can just drag and drop to that color. Now here we're gonna go to the view and select show, and here we will select the compare. So here is the reference image and here is the after image. Now I'm gonna just transfer whole color effect from this to this after image, right? So all you need to do is first click on the list, add a color swatches. Let's take some example of the skin tones patches. So just click on all the skin tones of the model's face. So here you can see the skin's patches are taken up, samples of the skin. Just take all the samples of the skin from every part of the model's photo, every highlights and all. Right now you can see we have almost taken every dark as well as the lightest area of the model's face with what we want to add or match the color. So here we have now here we're gonna do the same process on the reference image, right? So left side is the our original patches which we have taken in our after, and here is the reference image that is of Tony Mahfood, and we're gonna just take the samples of that color of the skin tone. So just like this way you have to take the patches of the skin tone of the Tony Mahfood, just like this way. And now you can see on the right screen, here is the reference image or the colors patches we have took from our reference or the Tony Mahfood image, right? Now here on the left side we're gonna just take the darkest area also. So we're gonna select this dark area with which we're gonna just match the color of this. So just take the dark areas patches, and here we're gonna do the same process. Here also select the dark area and select the darkest luminescence color over here, just like this way, right? And now I'm gonna select the green tone over here and pick the green tone from over here. So you can see here we have two. The left side is the original patches of the raw image, and here is the right side is the Tony Mahfood's patches, right, which or the reference image. So we're gonna just match both the colors. So we have almost done the darkness and the highlights of both the colors took the patches of both the colors from both the images. Right now I'm gonna just go to the image, go to the edit and select the match. First of all I'm gonna just go to the layer near the gradient, and here I'm gonna select the sort swatches by luminescence. So it will arrange all the swatches just by luminescence, so you can see the difference. Everything would be matched out. Darken area would be selected as the darken, and everything would be selected in a perfect way. Now here just go to the edit and select the match color reference. When you will click the button, and you will see the magic, guys. Here is the reference image and here is our final image. You can see the difference, guys. It is totally looking very exact, just like Tony Mahfood. Now just hit OK. You can just give it an OK. So you can see the difference, guys. Both the color effects are looking very similar. So I'll show you the before and after photo. So here's the before and here's the after. It is looking perfect, color correction just like Tony Mahfood, the skin tone, and you can see the difference, guys. The rest thing is gonna do in Photoshop, that is of doing the dodge and burn tool on the face. So you can see the difference, guys. Huge difference can be seen in the photo, and we have took all the colors from this reference photo to our desired amount of photo which we want. Now I'm gonna save this preset in the form of LUT file, right? So all you need to do is go to the file and click on the export, and just click on the export as 3DLUT file. So it will save this color effect as our 3DLUT file. So you can use this preset in the form of Photoshop or to color grade your videos in After Effects or whatever. Now here you can select the dot cube. Now let's just name it as Tony Mahfood inspired LUT, right? Now I'm gonna just save this. Dot cube is the extension, so 3DLUT file is saved on the desktop. So let's just see it. So here is the dot cube format we have saved. Now I'm gonna use this LUT file in my Photoshop. So all you're gonna do is just let's take some of the example photo, just drag and drop to Photoshop. Now here from the color lookup adjustment layer, just select the load 3DLUTs, or we're gonna install the LUT to our Photoshop also. So let's just, here was the LUT file or the cube extension file which we have made in 3DLUTCreator Pro. Just click on the load button, so it will load, and you can see your photo is totally looking very exact, just like Tony Mahfood, which we have created over here. Here's the reference photo, and we have saved this preset in the form of light dot cube format, that is of color lookup, right? So you can see this is how you can guys make more and more, just like if you want to create some exact color effect, then you can use this software. Let's take some more example. So first of all, we're gonna just close again the software and restart the 3DLUTCreator Pro. And once again I'm gonna show you how you can do manually. If you want to create a manual adjustment, you can just manually color grade and just create by yourself the new LUT file, dot cube file. So just drag and drop. Now I'm gonna just, here is the photo, right? So all you need to do is just pick the color over here, and you can just change the color of here, so you can see the difference, guys. Here is the color panel which is moving, that is of HSL, hue and saturation with calibration and all. So you can just turn and just move the color, whatever the kind of direction you are moving, your photo will become that. So let's just keep this as over here. If you want to change the color of the skin tone, you can just do it from here. So let's just keep this. So this is how you have to guys change the color of the skin tone, and everything would be changed just like this way. Still you can just make more adjustment. Now this one is looking kind of cool. Let's just click on the black tone, and you can just change the color of this, so you can see the difference, guys. If you want to create a teal color, you can just create it. So this is looking very pretty amazing. If you want to change the color of this, So let's just change the color of this green tone with the help of UN. So you can see the difference, the color of the green is being changed. So you can just keep it as this color if you want, highly green saturated color. So here we have created a color effect. So if you want to compare, then you can just compare it. So go to the window or view, select the show and show before. So before, and here is the after. Let's just arrange it in two panels, split compare. So here we're gonna just unremove the split compare. So here you can see, here was the before and here's the after. Now if you want to save this preset in the form of LUT format, then all you need to do is just go to the file, click on export and just click on the export 3D LUT file. So it will just save this preset or the color effect in the form of LUT or the dot cube extension. Now here you have to select the dot cube file extension, and now we're gonna just name it as a teal, cinematic teal color, right? So let's just name it as cinematic teal color. So it will save this in a dot cube format. So 3D LUT has been saved. Now we're gonna just use this. Here is the cinematic teal cube format or the preset which we have made just now. So we're gonna use this in again the Photoshop. So let's just go to the adjustment layer, select the color lookup, and from here we're gonna select the load. You already know how to install the LUT in Photoshop, so you can just watch my previous videos. So here is the cinematic teal. So when you will click on that button, so it will just save the you can see the difference. Here was the saved preset which we have made. Let's just drag and drop to this photo. So you can see the difference, guys. This is the preset which we have made. This is just for an example, but you can just make more detailed photo and just make more color correction in a perfect, and you can just take your time to create this kind of effect and more amazing color tone, and just save that LUT file in a dot cube format. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and guys, you can just download this 3DLUTCreator Pro just for free, and there are a lot of many more features you can see over here, channels, volumes and everything. You know, there are a lot of features are given over here, so you can just use them all and just try whatever is suiting more. There are 3D curves and 2D curves, and there are a lot of color correction more than the Photoshop. There are a lot of effects are given with different kind of settings regarding the color effect. So you can use them all and just do whatever kind of color grading you want. You can just do it by yourself. And guys, if you want to download this or purchase this software, then you can just press the link in the description, so you can get the 10% more discount on your purchase. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.